Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get auto high RAM usage reducer or optimizer for any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as memory reducer, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you'll see here two applications. The first file reduce memory, this is for the 32-bit, and the third file you can see here reduce memory into 64, which is for the 64-bit. So right now I'm using a 64-bit Windows operating system, so I'm gonna use this. So if you're using a 32-bit Windows operating system, then you can use the first one. So just right mouse click on it and click on run as administrator. Now you can see the user interface of this software. So you can see the informations of your memory. So the total memory right now my computer has a total 8 GB, and used memory is, as you can see here, and free memory you can see here. And on the right panel you can see optimize. So if I click on optimize, so you can see it has recovered 467 MB. So you can see here now the total percentage has reduced, that is the memory usage percentage. And the second option you will gonna get is option. So under the option, the first option you are gonna get is automatically start at Windows startup. So if you want to make it run all the time when you turn on your computer, then you can just enable it, and after that click on apply. And if you want to hide it, Windows on startup, that is if you want to directly hide it, and you can just enable this option. And minimize to the system tray, always show program window on top, and you can select the tray icon, that is the taskbar tray icon, whichever you like to use. So I'll just keep the default one, and you can set the threshold to auto optimize memory. Say let me select here, and now say let me select it to the lowest 25%, and after which second or minute you want to optimize. So I'll just select a 5 seconds. You can select depending upon your needs, even in 1 minute, 2 minute, or depending upon your needs. So I'll just keep it as 5 seconds just to give you an example. And you can add here some process exclusion list, and once you're done you can just click on apply. Now you can see here below memory will be opening after every 5 seconds. So you can see I've set a 25%. So you can see here once it crosses the 25%, that is the memory usage percentage, it will automatically optimize every time. So you can see here it's optimizing after every 5 seconds since it has increased above the 25%. So you can see it's optimizing all the time. So using this application named as memory reducer, you can easily get auto high RAM usage reducer or optimizer for any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.